Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Kind of a neat design, looks like folded paper. And if you'll take a screenshot of that right there, that's what we need. Now I'm going to take a rectangle and I'm going to hit P, put it in the center page. I'm going to Control D. And then with the two-sided arrow, I'm going to hold down the Shift key so it'll grow in the inside. And I'm going to get it to about right there. Now I'm going to rotate these guys 45 degrees. And I just need a couple of lines. Let's move this over so you can kind of follow along, and me too. Take a 2-point line, go from that node to that node. That node on this one, well, it didn't work very well. Let me just take that line away. Take your 2-point line and go from node to node, and then get your 2-point. You know, a lot of times Corel will do that when you're trying to start another line from that axis because it's trying to commit. So anyway, take this and hold down your control button and go past your original line. So now we can just take the shape tool and just hold down your control button. It'll be perpendicular. Now let's take another line. And this is where you have to go and just do like that. Hold down the control button. Now we need to put one more line here. So node to node. And then we're going to take our virtual segment delete key and delete that line. I'm going to group this together, Control G, so I can move it out of the way in a second. Every one of these you'll ever do, it's going to look a little different depending on the size of. So I'm going to use blue this time. That one is selected. So I'm going to go ahead and do it first with the interactive fill tool. And I'm going to put black in this corner. I had to think about it for a second because you're going to want it to look like it's going underneath. Then on this one, you're going to do the same thing. Put a little darkness. I really think the orange is going to end up being better looking. Then because I grouped those together, I can move these out of the way. And we worked in the center of the page. So I'm going to Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it, Alternate C to have it rotate from the center and rotate it 90 degrees. Control D, Control D. I really like the orange better. Let's take it may be when the black box, it'll look better. Go up to Object, Order, Back a Page. Looks pretty good. But see, every one of them is going to be different. This has a bigger and this has a smaller hole. So this is thinner, that's thicker. And then this is small and that's big. But they both look pretty good. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.